People born on January 4th are individuals who fall under the zodiac sign of Capricorn, which is ruled by Saturn. This planetary influence shapes much of their personality, behavior, and life aspirations. These individuals are typically characterized by their disciplined nature, strong sense of responsibility, and an innate drive for success. Let us delve into the personality traits, strengths, weaknesses, career tendencies, relationships, and other aspects that define those born on this date. Personality traits. People born on January 4th possess a practical and grounded outlook on life. They are often seen as mature individuals, even from a young age, and they tend to approach life's challenges with patience and determination. These individuals are ambitious, but their ambitions are not driven by fleeting desires or impulsive decisions. Instead, they set realistic goals and work diligently toward achieving them. They are known for their meticulous planning and ability to stay focused on long-term objectives. One of their standout qualities is their resilience. Even when faced with obstacles, they have the ability to adapt, strategize, and push forward. This combination of perseverance and adaptability makes them particularly adept at navigating life's ups and downs. January 4 born individuals are also deeply introspective. They spend a lot of time reflecting on their actions and decisions, seeking ways to improve themselves. While this introspection often leads to personal growth, it can sometimes make them overly self-critical. They strive for perfection, which can be both a strength and a challenge. Strengths. Determination. One of their defining strengths is their steadfast determination. Once they set their sights on a goal, they rarely give up until they achieve it. Responsibility. They take their commitments seriously, whether in their personal lives or professional endeavors. This makes them reliable and dependable. Pragmatism. These individuals are practical thinkers. They focus on realistic solutions rather than being swayed by overly idealistic ideas. Work ethic. Their dedication and discipline make them highly productive. They are willing to put in the effort required to succeed. Leadership. Thanks to their natural organizational skills and ability to inspire others, they often emerge as strong leaders in various aspects of life. Weaknesses. While they have many strengths, individuals born on January 4th are not without their challenges. Stubbornness. Their determination can sometimes turn into stubbornness, making them resistant to change or new ideas. Pessimism. Their pragmatic nature can lean toward negativity if they focus too much on potential problems rather than opportunities. Workaholism. Their drive for success can lead them to overwork, neglecting their personal lives and well-being in the process. Self-criticism. They are often their harshest critics, which can affect their self-esteem and emotional well-being. Career tendencies. People born on January 4th tend to excel in careers that allow them to utilize their organizational skills, determination, and practicality. They thrive in structured environments where their disciplined approach can shine. Some fields where they may find success include business and management. Their natural leadership abilities and strategic thinking make them well suited for roles in business, finance, and management. Law and governance. Their strong sense of justice and ability to handle responsibility can lead them to excel in legal or governmental roles. Engineering and technology. Their logical minds and problem-solving skills make them excellent engineers, architects, or tech professionals. Creative arts. While they are practical by nature, many January 4 born individuals have a creative side that they channel through writing, music, or visual arts. Teaching and mentoring. Their patience and desire to share knowledge make them effective teachers or mentors. Regardless of the field they choose, they are likely to climb the ranks due to their dedication and perseverance. Relationships and love. In relationships, people born on January 4th are loyal and dependable partners. They value stability and are not the type to engage in fleeting romances or superficial connections. They seek meaningful relationships based on mutual respect, trust, and shared goals. As partners, they are supportive and nurturing, often encouraging their significant others to pursue their dreams. However, their reserved nature can make it difficult for them to express their emotions openly. It may take time for them to fully open up to their partners, but once they do, they are deeply committed and loving. One challenge they face in relationships is balancing their work commitments with their personal lives. Their career-driven nature can sometimes make their partners feel neglected. However, with proper communication and effort, they are capable of creating a harmonious balance. Friendships. In friendships, January 4th individuals are known for being dependable and trustworthy. They are the kind of friends who will always show up when needed and are excellent at offering practical advice. While they may not be the most outgoing or social individuals, they value close-knit friendships and often have a small circle of trusted friends. Their friends appreciate their honesty and ability to offer a grounded perspective. However, their reserved nature can sometimes make them appear distant or uninterested, even though they care deeply about their loved ones. Family is important to those born on January 4th, and they often take on significant responsibilities within their family units. They are natural caregivers and are willing to make sacrifices to ensure the well-being of their loved ones. As parents, they are supportive and disciplined, instilling strong values in their children. Hobbies and interests. People born on January 4th often have hobbies that reflect their practical and goal-oriented nature. They enjoy activities that challenge their minds, such as puzzles, strategy games, or reading. Many of them also have a creative side, finding joy in painting, writing, or playing musical instruments. Outdoor activities like hiking or gardening may also appeal to their grounded nature, as these activities allow them to connect with nature while staying active. Additionally, they often enjoy self-improvement pursuits, such as learning new skills or attending workshops. Health. When it comes to health, individuals born on January 4th need to be mindful of their tendency to overwork and neglect self-care. Stress can be a significant issue for them, as their ambitious nature often leads them to take on too much. They benefit from incorporating relaxation techniques, such as meditation or yoga, into their routines. Physical fitness is also essential for their overall well-being. Activities like jogging, swimming, or yoga can help them maintain both their physical and mental health. Additionally, they should pay attention to their diet and ensure they are getting adequate rest. Challenges and growth. The main challenges faced by January 4 born individuals revolve around their work-life balance and emotional well-being. Their drive for success can sometimes overshadow other aspects of their lives, such as relationships and personal happiness. Learning to delegate tasks and take breaks can help them avoid burnout. Emotionally, they need to work on expressing their feelings and seeking support when needed. While they pride themselves on their independence, allowing others to help them can lead to stronger relationships and a more balanced life. Legacy. People born on January 4th leave a lasting impression on those around them due to their strong work ethic, reliability, and determination. They inspire others with their ability to overcome challenges and achieve their goals. Their legacy often revolves around the positive impact they have on their communities, workplaces, and loved ones. In conclusion, those born on January 4th are hardworking, disciplined, and pragmatic individuals who strive for success and stability. While they face challenges such as stubbornness and workaholism, their resilience and dedication enable them to overcome obstacles and leave a meaningful mark on the world. By focusing on balance,